Chime is a neobanking app that doesn't require you to go to an offline office to use its services. You can control your budget right on your phone. Situations when your card is out of credit, your paycheck will come in a couple of days, and you need to make a purchase right now are familiar to many people. Thanks to special services, you can avoid this problem, but if you are a Chime user, you need a narrower solution. We recommend using these best cash advance apps that work with Chime. You will learn about the advantages of each of them in this video. Number 1. B9 Cash Advance Early Paycheck. A unique opportunity to borrow money without interest. Helpful terms and great reviews with no credit history check. B9 Cash Advance Early Paycheck offers you cash on the day you apply. The maximum amount is $500. No one will ask you what you need the money for. It often happens that it is difficult for a hardworking person to get a loan through the banking system. Now you don't need to take a paycheck or look for guarantors. Get money right today without any unnecessary problems or documentation. You have 15 days to repay the loan. In this case, the amount is not subject to interest. Using a B9 debit card, you'll get 5% of the principal amount as cashback. The borrowed amount will automatically be deducted from your account on the day of the top-up. This loan will not affect any other installment loans or mortgages in any way. In addition to getting an advance, you can use other B9 Cash Advance Early Paycheck features, pay loans, fines, and receipts. Mobile banking is always at your fingertips. See your account balance and check last week's expenses. Instantly transfer money with minimal fees. Don't need to search for the ATM or the bank office nearest to you. All options are at your disposal 24 hours a day. Sign up for a paid subscription to get even more options. Number 2. Empower. Your solvency is in danger? Urgently in need of a certain amount of money? Empower is a mobile app created for ordinary people. Once you apply, you can expect to top up your account with up to $250. No guarantors or references, no interest or receipts. The entire process is completely legal and safe for you. You can pay the money back in a single payment on the day the money is deposited. The app is not a byproduct of one of the banks. It is a separate platform that allows you to perform some financial transactions. You don't have to fill out apps and attach credit history information. You don't have to report exactly what the specified amount will be used for. The data about this loan is not transferred to your bank. Empower allows you to speed up the crediting of your salary to your account. You can get your money 1 to 2 days sooner if you compare it with other employees. Get cash back at partner organizations. Get back up to 10% of your paycheck. Get your finances in order. See how much you've spent in a week or month. Set spending limits so you can make savings. You can always get information from the support specialists. Test all the features of Empower in the 2-week free version. At the end of the trial period, choose a convenient tariff and continue your cooperation. Number 3. Albert. Albert is the best solution for everyone who wants to increase their savings and optimize their finances. You do not need to be rich to cooperate with this program. The app is designed for daily use. You only need a phone to use it. Tie on your debit card and do almost any financial manipulation. Your paycheck will make you happy sooner thanks to the direct message of the banking channels. Have questions regarding loans and investments? Not sure which rate is right for your situation? Talk to the Genius team. They will listen to you attentively and give you professional advice. You can borrow up to $250 with Albert. Don't worry if you can't repay on time. You won't have to pay any penalty or interest. Direct deposits are made without interest or fees. Optimize your e-wallet. Determine an amount for mandatory expenses and save money with Genius. You'll get a nice cash bonus on the deferred amount. Without leaving the app, you can make lucrative investments by buying stocks from major companies. All Albert accounts are subject to compulsory insurance. Even if your bank goes bankrupt, you can get your money back. Number 4. MoneyLion. What do you get when you install the MoneyLion app? First and foremost, it is an electronic cash allocation advisor. It is important to know how to manage any amount to passively increase your income. Do you want to invest in real estate? Intimidated by the complicated rules of money borrowing from a bank? Need to make a money transfer quickly and without intermediaries? These are just some of the issues which are quickly solved thanks to MoneyLion experts. Now, applying for a loan will not be a big problem. Take any amount not exceeding $500. This option is available at any time and for any need. Pay back your debt at a time that is convenient for you. Don't worry about deadlines and late fees. The raw money option helps users to get cash advances a few days earlier than usual. Online banking forms an effective system of financial well-being for each client regardless of income level. MoneyLion allows you to withdraw cash without commission at 55,000 ATMs across the country. Roundups will help to make the right investments without any risk to your wallet. Lots of interesting information and popular articles about financial literacy. Learn all about taxation and the principle of credit and choose a promising investment idea. Make the right choice with MoneyLion. Number 5. Dave. The Dave app is a financial portal that cares about the savings and comfort of its customers. Here you can make any transactions that are available at every bank. Get up to $500 in cash when you need it. Don't worry about rising interest and late repayment penalties. Use the money as you see fit and pay back the debt without hurting your budget. When you work with the app, you're entitled to a nice reward in the form of cashback. Now you can set aside money for a dream, pay for a vacation, make repairs, or buy a car. Clarify your financial situation, note your expenses, and count your income and taxes. Thanks to this app, you will get your salary in advance, reducing the wait by 1 to 2 days. 5 million people are already using this unique opportunity. Can't find a part-time job? Not sure what kind of salary someone at your skill level can expect to make? Dave can help here too. Create jobs quickly and easily and send them directly to employers. Membership in the community only costs $1 a month. Try changing the way you think about money and you'll soon see positive results.